I'd like to now show you some advanced features using the Ladibug document camera. I have my Ladibug software opened up. I'm going to hover over the Ladibug icon and go to Advanced, the lower right hand corner. You'll notice that some of the advanced features are grayed out, and that is because I need to display live video before I can use those features. So I'm going to click on the live video icon. Now these features are available. I'm going to go over these icons here. The first feature is really neat. It's called annotation. You click on that. This feature allows you to draw over your live video, which is very helpful if you are projecting this on a smartboard and you want students to be able to draw. They can select these options on the smartboard and create dots. You can add text. You can change your line width and color. You can use an eraser and erase what you've done, and you can also select erase all. So that is the annotation feature. The second feature I've already discussed in my basic video, but I wanted to talk about it again. This allows you to capture still images. If I click on this, what it does is it asks me where I want to save my picture. I'm going to save this picture to my desktop. It's creating a still image. And now I can actually take that picture and copy it to Smart Notebook and display it in my Smart Notebook file if I want. The next feature is really cool. It actually allows you to video record what is happening, what is being displayed by your Ladibug. Click on the record video to begin, and then click on the record icon. It's going to ask you where you want to save it. I'm going to save it to my desktop. It is now recording my video. Click stop when you are done. You can see that the video file is now on my desktop. This feature sometimes has difficulty, which is why I like to use the recording software from Smart Notebook. The next feature I wanted to show you is actually really cool. It's called the time lapse. It looks like a little clock here. Click on that. The time lapse allows you to record something overnight. So for example, if you are working on a science experiment and you want to record the changes in that science experiment, you can click on time lapse. You can control the length of your recording and also the frames that are to be recorded. So you can have your Ladibug take multiple pictures of the changes and then show the kids the changes that happened overnight. The last feature I wanted to show you is in the options panel. Oh, it's actually not options. It is this icon here, the green one. It says camera settings. Click on that. Using the camera settings, I can rotate my picture. I can also change the mode. This is really neat. I can change this mode so that it is actually able to display. I'm skipping over these modes because they're not as relevant, but this mode is really cool. It's called the microscope mode. So I can have my Ladibug look into a microscope and display the image as seen through a microscope. I can also change different modes, like if I'm displaying text or photos, I can change those options here. And finally, I can rotate my image. There are also numerous other options that you should explore. but those are, I think, are the coolest. So that is it for my advanced Ladibug features.